Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need a top quality pen? Definitely check out Zebra F-701. This pen is awesome. I really like it for a few reasons. One, this is a durable pen. It is made to last. It is stainless steel and it has a nice weight to it. One of my favorite things about it is this knurled design here, this textured part. It gives you an awesome grip on the pen. It does not slide out of your hand and it is just super comfortable, especially when you're kind of moving it around in your hand when you're writing. It's just really easy to get a good hold on it. So I really love that. It's also a clicky pen, retractable, which I prefer because I don't like to lose caps. And it has a really nice smooth way of writing as well. So this is a refillable pen, so you can buy ink for it to keep it going. And this is a fine point pen as well. So if you're looking for a very durable, extremely solidly built pen that is gonna last a really long time, I would definitely check out this Zebra F-701 pen. I think it is an awesome product, and that is my point of view.